Welcome to the presentation on pharmaceutical industry. The word pharmaceutical comes from the Greek word pharmakia and its modern translation is pharmacia. Pharmaceutical industry is responsible for developing, producing and marketing drugs or pharmaceuticals licensed for use as medications. There are companies which play a vital role in pharmaceutical and biotech field like Johnson & Johnson, Procter & Gamble, Bayer, Pfizer, Merck & Company and many more. Today, most of the major companies were founded in the late 19th and 20th centuries. Discovery of insulin and penicillin were manufactured and distributed in mass. There are different in pharmaceutical companies which are responsible for each activity like research and development, animal science, bioinformatics, clinical research, operations, quality. Now let us see one by one what are the major roles. Research and development, this department determines and identifies drugs. There are three functional areas in this department that are discovery research, animal sciences and bioinformatics. In discovery research, experiments are performed. Regarding animal science, in animal science, tasks involved are providing cell cultures, growing microorganisms, and taking care of animals. Bioinformatics, it is responsible for analyzing the data gathered from discovery research. Under clinical research, they are responsible for approving the drugs from FDA. The regulatory affair function is responsible for ensuring all the requirements for FDA. Under operations, the operation department produces a sellable amount of drug. Once the drug has passed through the clinical trials, the manufacturing and production department manufacture the final product along with packaging and labeling. Regarding quality, there are various rules and safety regulations laid down by the FDA for pharmaceutical and biotech firms. Hence, the quality department has to be conscious and has to take care that the drugs manufactured are accurate and of a reliable standard of quality. Now, regarding the career move in pharma industry, a person can be a health inspector, drug inspector, research officer, scientist, research and development, drug therapist, chemical technician, consultants, marketing and sales, and many more. Career progress. The entry-level job begins at a staff level. In pharmaceutical industry, if a person is working in drugstore or in hospitals, then they can become managers at the store level or a pharmacy supervisor. Persons who are working in industry can advance in their career in like marketing, quality, production, sales or other areas. In research, they can advance as research scientists, senior researchers, scientists,